Hi guys, so I'll be walking you through the process of how I made this child's dress. Let's go. So I already have like half inches up before I drew my shoulder line. So the shoulder divided by 2 is 5.75, and since this material draws, I'm working with a silk, I wouldn't have to put allowances. So you're going to do the bust divided by 6 plus 1.5 to get the armhole length. When you get that, you then move on to the neckline, which I use 2.75 for the width and 1.5 inches for the back neckline, and then 3 inches for the front neckline. First off, I want to apologize for how faint the chalk lines are. Sorry about that. Then you're going to mark the half length, which I used 11, and then I added 0.5 inches to that. Then you're going to divide your bust by 4, mark it, and then add 1 inch allowance, and then draw it straight down. Find the middle of your armhole, mark it, and then curve it right back to the chest line. Then you cut this out. Now to cut the back, you place the front page just as I have in this video. Then mark 1 inch at the top and half inch at the bottom to avoid that zip bulge that will cause at the back. Then join, connect it, and then cut it out. If you notice, I first cut off the back neckline, which was the 1.5 depth. Later on, when I want to cut the front, I'll use the front depth. To cut out the lace, I place the front and the back individually on the lace and cut them out. This is what it looks like after I've done that. So you have to turn the neckline right down for both the front and the back by making sure the lace front side is facing the back of the silk. First, then you put the shiny part stay beneath the lace. Next, you join the shoulders of both the front and the back together by half inch and then the sides by 1 inch. Now to cut the peplum, you're going to do the waist plus 2 inches for the zip divided by 6.28, which I had 4.5, that's what I'm marking. Then the full length of the flare is 20. That is 19 inches in total plus 0.5 to join it to the up and then 0.5 to turn it at the bottom. So basically it's 19 inches plus your allowances, making it 20 for me. So I went ahead to mark it in a circular form, as you can see. Now I'll just cut it using the already marked lines. After that, I'll tear open one of the sides. I cut out fabrics that are 7 inches long just to make the ruffles in front. Then I cut out the sleeves of the gown. Now I have finally added the sleeves to the armhole parts. Then also remember to put in your belt, that's if you want to add belt in between the sides of the dress, that's half inch above the seam allowance. Just tuck in the belt and join the sides. Then I added like the lace at the tip of the belt. Now I'm attaching the ruffle to the front part of the dress. So this is what it looks like after I've pinned everything down. Then I'll proceed to add the flare directly on top. This is what it looks like after I've pinned the peplum directly on top of the bodice. Then I'll turn it over and sew using half inch round. I went ahead to turn the bottom of the peplum twice actually, just to get this look. This is how my dress is looking. It's coming out great. Now you proceed to attach the zip using 1 inch that you left initially to attach it. Once you've been able to attach the zip, the dress is ready. Thank you guys for watching.